Top 7 tips on how creating a to-do list makes you productive. In this video, we will discuss 7 awesome ways to know how to create a to-do list that makes you more productive at work. When we write what we need to do on a piece of paper, it has a significant effect. In reality, under the correct conditions, making a to-do list can help us be more productive. 1. Your to-do lists help create order. The fact that it brings order to our lives is at the top of our list of advantages. You may even go so far as to say that this aids in our day-to-day planning. 2. Your to-do list helps personalize your task list. You may find to-do lists in a variety of styles if you explore around. The point is that there are so many styles to choose from that you can select one and make it your own while still reaping the benefits. 3. Your to-do list helps create accountability. It's effective because when we write things down, we hold ourselves accountable. You've given something life by writing it down, and now it's up to us to see it through. 4. Your to-do list helps you reschedule and reorganize your time. Part of the stress alleviation comes from having more time flexibility and organizational skills. Knowing what's coming up ahead of time can help us plan better when there are so many deadlines to meet. 5. Your to-do list helps you plan by delegating work. Putting together a to-do list might also help you figure out what you can delegate if you are feeling overwhelmed. If your to-do list is very large, consider delegating it to someone else. 6. Your to-do list helps relieve your stress. Another advantage I'd like to point out is that it's a stress reliever. Moving forward and crossing stuff off your to-do list is a satisfying sensation. 7. Your to-do list helps you grow mature. There are going to be some hiccups when jumping into something new. Every new difficulty brings with it the opportunity to learn and grow. This is how we reap the maximum benefits of a to-do list. To-do lists are extremely versatile tools for people, but they primarily act as a compass. However, when we use them correctly, this sense of order provides structure and can help us stay on track. The bottom line: a to-do list is the most effective way to increase productivity. Not only that, but it digs deeper into our perspectives and how we function. As an act of help, do share it with the people you care about the most, so let them also benefit. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.